Hey beautiful, do you get bored of your angry outburst every time you look in the mirror? What if I told you that you could lose weight quickly naturally and feel great without expensive gym membership or sophisticated equipment? Today, I will reveal the perfect home fitness routine for ladies that may transform your body and attitude in just a few minutes every day. You will have a step-by-step plan by the end of this video to at long last reach your goals. Stick with me as I reveal the fastest ways of weight reduction. Travel back with me last year, please. I was tired, confused, and stuck on how to lose weight. I tried everything. Counting how many calories I needed to lose weight, obsessively counting how many steps a day to lose weight, and stressing over how to drop 7 days. Nothing helped until I understood that the best strategy to shed weight is simplifying everything and focusing on powerful, steady movement at home. Today I'm revealing my top weight loss activities you could perform straight in your living room. No excuses, no judgment. Tell me below what one goal you are seeking this month before starting. I read every remark and enjoy urging you on. Tip 1. The merging of strength. Let's start with squats and lunges, the strong combo. These exercises help to define your lower body and burn calories. Compound workouts like these are absolutely essential if you want quick weight loss. Start with 3 sets of 15 squats, followed by 3 sets of 12 lunges on each leg. Your heart rate will increase as this will encourage fast fat burning. Remember, it's beyond only exercise. Many of you wonder how many calories I should consume to reduce weight. Although your body will provide the answer, the general rule is to establish a modest caloric deficit, say 300 to 500 less calories daily. Tip 2. Torches upper torso. Let us next work on our upper body. 2 water bottles or little dumbbells should be used to perform overhead presses and bicep curls. Yes, diet matters if you wish to know how to lose weight without exercise. Though, movement speeds results. Regularity is absolutely vital. Even if you can only work for 5 to 10 minutes each day, you are establishing momentum. This is the way I stopped yo-yo dieting and eventually found the most successful strategy to lose weight free from scarcity. Comment ready below if these recommendations are helpful so I can tell you're committed to your change. Tip 3. Core activation. Let's close core. A strong core raises your metabolism and reduces your waistline. Lie down and complete 3 sets of 15 bike crunches, then 3 sets of 20 normal crunches. You will feel the burn, and that is exactly what you want. Many people don't realize that losing water weight is as simple as lowering sodium, drinking a lot of water, and exercising daily. Naturally reducing your weight and eliminating pollutants will result from these actions. Remember, nutrition makes up 80% of your success as you're hammering your exercises. Many of you ask, how many calories to shed weight rapidly? Or how many calories to lose weight? Use a calculator to ascertain your maintenance calories, then cut 300-500 calories. That is the optimum weight loss range for permanent results. If you think, I have tried everything, you are not alone. For years I inquired, how to lose weight fast naturally, and how to lose weight without exercise, only to discover that fundamental behaviors and persistence always triumph. Let us go through swiftly. Lower body strength with lunges and squats, upper body toning with presses and curls, core activation using bikes and crunches, daily hydration and caloric knowledge. You can do this. Show up for yourself. These are the quickest ways to lose weight. You can accomplish it without a gym. Comment below before you go. Which of these workouts you are starting first? I am so thrilled to celebrate your accomplishments. If you thought this video was helpful, subscribe for more weight loss tips and activate notifications so you never miss another one. Press the like button.